Alright guys, we came to a turtle zone. We're about to see if we can find any turtle eggs in here. Holy
No.
shit.
No!
You guys see that?
Dude! You did not
Riding with a click and the model really came from the bottom doing donuts in the
just do that. You did not just do that.
My hand, maybe I'm not the man cause I got real big plans, yo. On the hardest thing out right now, you gon' need to grab the men's just like I got the.
Alright, we rolling.
Yeah.
What's up, boy?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Texting and driving, you know, he's trying to kill me.
You already know the vibes. We're about to smoke some cilantro.
How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Doing great. It's beautiful out here.
Isn't it nice?
What's your name?
Jerry.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. How are you?
Renzo.
Gabe.
Renzo?
Nice to meet you.
Gabe.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Where do you guys live?
We actually live right down the street.
And we live right behind the clubhouse. All the birds would come here in the afternoon and sit here. So I walked in and I opened up, and here's this box full of pink, fuzzy woman's lingerie. It was
Wow.
fuzzy. It was traumatizing.
How many years ago that was? 70 years ago.
7 years ago.
Wow.
What's the secret? What's the key?
Pick the right woman.
Pick the right woman?
Yeah. Hey, bet you have a good time.
Yeah.
Welcome. Come back.
Alright.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Take it easy.
Yeah.
Take care.
I have no diseases, by the way.
Guys, make sure you pick the right woman. That's the only way. Be happy. Being happy is literally the key. For no cap. Yo, what's up?
What's going on?
What's up?
What up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Talk to me. What's good? Buffalo chicken is definitely a favorite. Bro.
Employee of the year or what?
Yeah, they got my picture up everywhere, like SpongeBob.
Well, I'm sure you are.
I go by Israel.
Israel.
Yup. Most high artists out here, y'all know what it is. I got to the freestyle.
Alright.
My freestyle is so dope, I could be a mute spitter.
Yeah.
And just hit him with the Go figure.
Yeah.
Fire, dog. But that's all we'll give y'all.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Get some Trulies.
Nah, I'm not gonna get that.
Yo, nice shirt.
Yeah, little workout in, you know what I'm saying? Zoom into the bicep, bro.
Nice.
No, I don't. We're going to pick up some fireworks. Let's see if we can get the biggest fucking firework they got in the whole store.
Right there and sign right there.
Okay.
Talk to them.
What's up, bro? Shit, we need the biggest bang you got in the whole store.
Big spin gun in the whole store.
Yeah. That one right there.
200 feet in the air.
Alright, I'll do one of those. So what's the total here?
Alright, you got these two. It's gonna run you about 2 G's, 2 grand.
$2,000?
Yep.
Bro, this is.
Alright, fuck it, let's do it.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, run it up. You have a great show right there.
Bro, I can't believe we just spent $2,000. Oh my god. What's up, guys? So this is our first vlog. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is 561 Renzo. This is Gabe over here. We thought it'd be a great idea to just sit down, play a little game of golf, enjoy some beer. Say what's up, Gabe.
Yeah, how do you open this?
Dead ass, bro. How many brain cells do you have? Oh, here. Hey. He's struggling. He is struggling.
How do you do it?
All right, anyways, that's Gabe. We live here in Florida. And we're just living the life. We're just gonna record our day-to-day life. All right, what's up, bro? You know how to play golf or what? What the fuck are you doing here?
Yeah, I usually get like 3 holes with a boogie. Negative 156 is my PR.
What kind of drip is that, dog?
What?
Are you serious,
Dude,
bro?
This is my drip, bro.
Are you serious? You
Oh
still
my
wearing
God.
that?
Oh my god. Wait, can I reintroduce myself?
Hey, yo, fucking chill, bro.
We don't want to see that.
We don't get any fucking snow in Florida, so this is how we make snow angels. Wow, that's so beautiful.
Can you open my Rona, please? 4. That's that fire.
All right, let's go. Let's go. The double barrel. Oh my god, he's getting soaked. Dude.
Oh, good morning. Really? Really? Don't even tell. Oh my. Really? Bro. Really?
All right, let's see what he's made of.
Wow. Solid, dude. Oh!
They call me Tiger Woods' daddy, Lion Woods, and they ain't lying.
When they see your wood,
Backflip.
Tiger Forest. Oh! Oh!
Let's
Dude!
go.
Oh!
Rumors say that you're a virgin. Is that true?
Yeah, just like negative time.
Have you gotten laid or what?
No.
So there's a lot of rumors going around that you look like Kyle from fucking Nelk Boys,
my
bro.
God.
What do you got to say?
I'm not gonna smash some Ronas for the boys, eh?
$2 million right now, but you can never get laid ever again for the rest of your life.
That's already my life. Just give me the money. Alright, so I heard that you had a little bit of TikTok clout. Just give me a little rundown about that real quick.
Bro, honestly, that's not clout. I got 20K on TikTok right now.
Wow, bro, that's it, bro.
There's fucking 12-year-olds who have way more followers than me, so whatever.
I mean, yo, so you just got back from LA. What kind of things were you doing up there?
yeah, you know, I was chilling with 6ix9ine,
Yo!
Dirty Dumb.
Wait, let's show them a quick clip.
Is that fucking 6ix9ine, bro? What, dude? That's fucking 6ix9ine.
Oh shit, yo, what's up, bro?
Honestly, me and 6ix9ine smashed. She was a lot thicker than I thought.
Oh my god.
What can I say?
Can't lie, this shirt's like a youth large, maybe, at mass. Why are you wearing this?
I let the muscles talk.
How much can you bench?
I'll bench your ass right now, bruh.
I bet.
Yo, watch where you're fucking going, bro.
How many fireworks?
$2,000 worth
Yes,
of fireworks about to
2,000.
go off right
Alright,
now.
Kill that.
Probably a really fucking shitty idea, but fuck it.
No. Oh my. Dude, are you serious? Bro.
Let's go.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Get out these doors. I cannot decide. I'm the pack and that can't multiply.
Wow.
You don't call me no slime. But me not like I put that trick, go, I get it right. Then I be fussing alright, bitch. Nigga know ya.
Wow.
Baby, shit, up in that head cake. I get that pack in me, I know you
Shit.
Yo, is that it?